Hello and welcome to another update video on SHIB. Shiba Inu, we haven't covered it for a long time, but some of you guys have voted for it. Remember, on Discord, you can make use of our voting tool and you can kind of determine which coins I'm covering. I'm working my way through the list at the moment. We've got Shiba Inu as, some people of you, some members requested the coin to be covered. So I want to break it down together. I already updated it on Discord a few days ago, but let's break it down in detail here in YouTube, on YouTube. So it's obviously a chart. You can see that, right? That is in a long sideways range. I do not expect all-time highs, I have to say. I find the white scenario is the most probable one here. Why? Because we have a 5-wave move down, my friends, and a 5-wave move down is not clearly bullish. You know, from an Elliott wave point of view, that indicates the trend is down. Again, that was confirmed further with only a corrective rally in clearly 3 waves into the March 24 highs. And honestly, another 5-wave move down and a lower high and another lower low. So, and this is just choppy sideways action with trolling support at the moment, okay? The more often a support line gets tested, the weaker it often gets over time. Yeah, because the price tries to push and break through it. But again, it's not been tested that often, but we are, the chart indicates weakness. We're just hovering in this lower area here, this lower range. I mean, that doesn't mean it couldn't go higher. I'm actually watching for the potential, especially in Q4, for another bounce here, prices to go up a little higher. Now, the obvious level, the obvious invalidation point for higher prices, well, that's the June low and the April low. They're basically double bottom structure there. Double bottom often indicates it's going to break at some point, which I would expect it's as well. Yeah, so the white scenario confirms that further. The nearest resistance area is between 162 and 263. So it's entirely possible that we might move a little higher, but don't confuse this with, oh yeah, it's a bullish setup or anything. I'm just pointing out the possibility. This is a counter trend move in my view. So it's a weak chart. It hasn't given me anything on the lower time frame to clearly confirm we're going higher. But for those of you who believe that, yeah, and who want to trade it, I think this level here, yeah, let's say at 100, 102, the June low, April low, that would be a clear invalidation point. Higher is possible, but you see, we've been only moving sideways again since April, basically. So there isn't really much going on at the moment, but I know some of you are interested because SHIB used to do it. Used to be a thing, right? It's just kind of, with all the other meme coins, it's kind of died down. And what is even worse than price going down is just endless sideways action, okay? Just ongoing sideways. It's not, and that's very clear. Yeah, I mean, it's not my opinion, you see that. It's not a chart that is in a long-term uptrend or that promises long-term upside potential. Now, if we break above this yellow trend line and break above the red resistance zone, they kind of meet here in this area around 263, well, then I would take the orange scenario more seriously, really towards potentially even new highs, yeah, or at least get close to it. But there is nothing on this chart that would confirm that. It's simply a possibility because I need a bullish alternative. For now, white is preferred, but the reward to risk ratio, I think, is more favorable for long traders here. But you might have to have some patience. And below the red line, any bullish setup breaks. Yeah, then we fall back into the larger pattern. So that's the update on SHIB. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, yeah, make sure you check out our membership options. As I said, you can vote for coins and everything on Discord as a gold member. And also make sure you check out our X channel for additional updates, news, and much more. You can find the link in the comment section and the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.